Hello kids, I welcome you all in Ideal Startup Lesson. In this video, you will be learning the long vowel E. E. E and E make sound E. When two vowels go for walking, the first vowel does sometime talking. You can see E and E make sound E. Here the first vowel says its name E and second remains quiet. E. E. Long E sound as in B. B, E, B. E as in sheep. Sh, E, sheep. Long E sound as in tree. T, R, E, tree. Long E sound as in weep. V, E, P, weep. Long E sound as in jeep. J, E, P, jeep. Long E sound as in wheat. W, E, D, weed. Long E sound as in seed. S, E, D, seed. Seed. Long E sound as in feet. F, E, T, feet. Feet. Long E sound as in sleep. S, E, P, sleep. Sleep. Let's revise words together. B, B. Sheep, sheep. Tree, tree. Weep, weep. Jeep, jeep. Weed, weed. Seed, seed. Feet, feet. Sleep, sleep. Put long E words in bucket. Look at these words and you will find out E words and put the E words in bucket. Sleep, tree, sheep, feet, seed, weep. Can you find more words with E? No, there are no more E words. So let's move ahead. Next activity is unscramble the long E words. Which picture can you see? Feet, feet, feet. Which picture can you see? Sheep, sheep, sheep. Which picture can you see? It's B, B, B. Which picture can you see? Jeep. 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 Which picture can you see? Seat. 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 Here is another activity. Circle the pictures that make the sound E. First look at this picture very carefully and you will circle the pictures which make the sound E. Can you hear the sound E as in apple? No. Jeep. Now you will find out and you will circle the picture that make the sound E. Tree. B. Seat. Feet. Let's revise sound E. E and E make sound E. E. Now you will revise this sound along with words. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a preschool videos notification first.